Are you still changing your car's oil every 3000 miles? Even though you're not sure if it's really necessary. What if I told you if you're sticking to this old rule is not a good advice for your car? Stick around because today we are going to reveal the truth about oil change intervals and how to keep your engine in top notch without overdoing it. We all know that regular oil changes are very important, but with all the conflicting information out there, it's hard to know what's right for your car. In this video, we are cutting through the confusion and giving you a clear step-by-step guide on how often you really need to change your engine oil. First, let's tackle why oil changes are so crucial. Think of your engine like a complex machine with lots of moving parts. Oil acts like a lubricant, keeping everything running smoothly and preventing damage. Without fresh oil, your engine could suffer from wear and tear, which might lead to expensive repairs down the road. Now, let's address the big question. How often should you change your oil? The old rule was every 3000 miles or 3 months. But now times have changed. Modern engines and synthetic oil can go much longer between change intervals. Many vehicles now recommend changing oil between 5000 to 7500 miles, and some recommend up to even 10,000 miles. So now, how do you find out what's right for your car? Start by checking your owner's manual. It will have the manufacturer's recommendation of the oil change intervals. Following these guidelines is your best bet to maintain the engine health. You should also keep an eye on your oil's condition, regularly checking your oil level and checking its color. If it's dark and dirty, that means it's time for a change. Many modern cars also have oil change reminders which alert you when it's time for a service. If you are unsure when your last oil change was, don't worry about it. Many service centers offers reminders. And also you can use any apps to keep track of your maintenance history. By following these steps, you will make sure that your engine runs smoothly and you won't waste money on unnecessary oil changes. Thanks for watching today. If you learned something new, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to us for more videos.